experience also the wants of our FCLC teachers to be a member of the FCLC community. Hello, baby. Nakikita na yan. Andito na si Ma'am Tess. Okay. So I think masyadong busy si Ma'am Tess. Once again, we are really very happy to have you around and for giving us the opportunity to teach, to love, to care, and to let your children experience what we call the FCLC family. So, in behalf of Ma'am Tess, who is busy right now, I'm so happy again to have you all around. Thank you so much. Again, palampakan po natin ang ating sarili. So, maraming salamat po ulit. And, okay, so we're going to have their Senale.
Okay, children,